Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Fix Netflix. Today, we've got a common issue that many Samsung TV owners face: internet or Wi-Fi connection problems. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple troubleshooting steps to get your TV back online in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Segment 1. Restart your router. Our first step is to restart your router. This should be your go-to move for any network issues because it can often solve problems not just for your TV but for all your connected devices. First, unplug the power cable from your router. Then, wait for 10 seconds. Finally, plug the router back in and wait for it to reboot. Segment 2. Perform a network refresh. If the issue persists, it's time for a network refresh. Follow these steps on your Samsung TV. First, go to Settings, General Network. Then, choose Reset Network. Finally, confirm the action. Segment 3. Move the router closer. Sometimes, your router may be too far from your Samsung TV. Try moving it closer to establish a better connection. Segment 4. Restart your Samsung TV. Remember the old ID adage: turn it off and back on. Here's how you can do it with your Samsung TV. First, unplug the power cable from the socket. Then wait for 1 minute. Finally, plug the cable back in. Or press and hold the power button on your remote until the TV turns off and then back on. Segment 5. Reset your Samsung TV. When all else fails, it's time for a factory reset. Just be aware that this will erase all your settings, accounts, and apps, returning your Samsung TV to its original state. First, go to Settings, General. Then scroll down to Start Setup or Reset, depending on TV model. Then insert your PIN. Default is 0000. Finally, confirm and wait for the TV to finish the process. Segment 6. Reset your router. Our final step is resetting your router. This is a last resort, and it will require you to reconnect all your devices to Wi-Fi, using the default router password found on a sticker at the back. First, locate the reset button on your router, usually in a narrow opening at the back. Then, press and hold it with a small object like a paper clip or a needle. Finally, wait for the router to boot back up. There you have it, folks. We've covered the steps to fix Wi-Fi or internet connection issues on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.